Hello guys, and welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations. This week I am doing a collab with the awesome Luke from J Chillin with the Grays. I have had so much fun over the past, I think, year and a half that we've known each other, being able to do different collabs. This is not our first, and I will link the other ones down below as well as at the end of this video. But with that said, we're doing an art card trade, so an ACO trade, and he's already sent me his awesome cards, and they're so cool. But I don't want to show you guys because I want you guys to go over to his channel after this video, of course, and check out his work, check out his other videos that are awesome. They're about mythology, creatures, aliens, just a lot of really cool stuff. So be sure to go check that out after this. I will have his information linked down below so you can go check it out, and I will have his subscribe button right up here and one of his videos right here for the collaboration. With all that said, guys, it is the same night that I have just finished doing the gateway art window. Sorry, it's been a long day. I'm losing my voice still. But with all of that said, guys, we are going to have some real fun. I have my watercolor set up. I won't lie to you, I've already done about halfway of the art card, so you'll be seeing it now, but I'm already halfway done with it, so there'll be another part. I just have lining left to do. Anyways, the magic of YouTube. Anyways, guys, I hope you remember that you are incredible. Stay inspired, stay amazing, and let's have some fun. So with this card, I started out thinking I wanted to do something that was very, I don't know, for an alien wolf, I wanted to do like a bulbous type of head, but with a really, I guess, dog-like or wolf canine-like muzzle and some of the fur and features, and then, you know, a little back arm. And I decided to have him be at the bottom of a cave because, I don't know, I had this idea to come to mind, and I was like, this sounds like a lot of fun. So I just kind of went with it. A lot of my art and a lot of what I do is I get ideas for it, and I just go, you know what, why not? And I think that's one of the biggest things as an artist and anyone who's creative is if you have ideas, just try them. A lot of times I think we stop our ideas because we're like, oh, that's too crazy or too scary or whatever it may be. Sometimes it's just trying it out, and it actually works out really well. So I would say, you know, continue doing what you like and just try different things, and don't be afraid to try your strange or fun or crazy ideas, because usually they turn out to be really cool, and if they don't, you learn a lot of good lessons from it. But with this, I just had a lot of fun doing the lining. I always enjoy lining with this Japanese pen that I use, but yeah, it was just a lot of fun to do this collaboration with Luke. Hey guys, so here is the finished art card as our collab with Al and J Chillin with the Grays. Luke over there, thank you so much once again, Luke, for doing this awesome collab with me. I'm so glad that we continue to get to do these really fun collabs. If you want to check out his channel, I will have it linked up here in just a second. But I just wanted to say, once again, I'm so incredibly happy with how this turned out. I always have so much fun doing collabs and art trades because it kind of challenges me to try different things and do things that I wouldn't have thought of. And an alien wolf just kind of was really cool, but I don't know if I would have intentionally thought of it. So thank you so much once again, Luke. It's been a real pleasure to be able to do these with all the different artists, and including you, and just, you know, stay inspired, guys. Do new things, try new things, and remember that you guys are incredible and that you are incredibly creative. And with that said, guys, it is late. I am going to go hit the hay, as they say. And if you would like to follow this channel as well, be sure to hit the subscribe button right here. Please make sure to hit that bell notification. We are almost to 100 followers. We're not on Instagram. 100 viewers, whatever, subscribers. I just think of you guys as art sprites and incredible people, so it's always kind of difficult to remember what it's called. But if you'd like to subscribe and you're just kind of hanging out watching, be sure to do that. We're going to have a really, really fun giveaway coming up real soon when we hit 100, so be sure to get in on that and grow with this community, because we are going to be doing a lot of awesome stuff throughout the rest of this year, and more awesome stuff is yet to come, so stay inspired. And here's some more videos. Have a great day, guys, and be sure to go check out J Chillin with the Grays collab video right here, because his work is really cool. Bye, guys!